In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign on Tiltify, whether you're looking to raise money for a charity close to your heart or simply want to make a difference. I'm here to guide you through each step so you can get started seamlessly. First things first, head over to the website tiltify.com. This is your go-to platform for launching a dynamic and engaging fundraising campaign. Once you're there, you'll see options to either sign up or log in, depending on whether you're a newcomer or already part of the Tiltify community. If you're creating a new account, you have the flexibility to sign up using your email, or you can conveniently link your account through Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. Each method is straightforward, so choose the one that suits you best and get yourself logged in. Now that you're successfully logged in, it's time to channel that enthusiasm towards choosing a charity. Begin by clicking on Create Campaign. This is where the magic begins. Tiltify boasts a comprehensive directory of charities, so you have a wide selection to choose from. Simply search for the organization you're passionate about supporting. Once you find it, go ahead and click Select the charity and then Start Campaign. This choice will align your campaign with the cause you deeply care about. With your charity selected, it's time to set up your campaign. Start by giving your fundraiser a catchy, descriptive title. A compelling name not only grabs attention, but also resonates with potential donors. Next, think about your fundraising goals. Enter the amount you aim to raise, let's say around $500, but feel free to choose any target that fits your aspirations. Now, move on to crafting a compelling campaign description. Take a moment to explain why you're dedicated to this cause and the type of impact those generous donations will have. Your words here can inspire and motivate people to contribute. To make your campaign visually appealing, you'll want to upload images. These include a campaign thumbnail and a banner. Choose images that reflect your campaign spirit and message. Once you have everything prepared, take a moment to preview your campaign. Double check all the details and see how it will appear to potential donors. Make sure everything looks just right because first impressions matter. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, it's time to publish your fundraiser. Click on Publish Campaign, and just like that, your fundraiser is live and ready to share with the world. Now you can start spreading the word, connecting with donors, and making a real change through your Tiltify campaign. That's all there is to it. With Tiltify, you're equipped to turn your passion into action, drawing together a community of supporters for your chosen cause. Happy fundraising, and thank you for stepping up to make a difference.